Sa pamaagi ka mga event ka Pras Cadiao, Lake Tourism Fair, kapakita namin yung kitagaman. Kaya namin ipagawa ka namin ka ang probinsya, ang ma-appreciate mo kay ibang mga tao. So it's not just indigenous materials which could be appreciated by Antiqueños, but indigenous materials which are repurposed that could be appreciated by non-Antiqueños as well. Napakita pa ko world class Antiqueño, kapag namin ka ang probinsya.
And this is how we are now. We have been going around during our campaign telling everybody how we are going to focus our province. We are not here to promote trade and tourism because this is the in thing now, but because we need this to boost our province so that we can give jobs and even income to our Antiqueños. We cannot just depend on how we did our province before. This is one way of embracing something new. And I'm happy that Loren Legarda, who will be the future senator of the Philippines, is really into trade and tourism. Ako hindi ako masyadong mahilig dyan talaga. Ako I'm more into human empowerment and taking care of the poor and more into this tourism infrastructure. Nag-meet yung aming and this is how Antique is now. This is how we perceive Antique to be in the next few years. This is how we are going to direct our province. Ito na yung dadaanan natin. Ito na yung gagawin. I can't even imagine this beautiful edifice. Dati randang lang ito when I was used to be the vice governor. If you step on the floor, it's always going down, it's so worn out. And I see how magagawa pala talaga ang mga bagay kung talagang nasa puso mo ang dapat mong gagawin. Gusto kong paabot sa inyo, you are the stakeholders here. We are talking about future generations and future businessmen who wants to make something big out of the growth of Antique. Let's not stifle that growth. Let us not be too negative. Because if you are too negative, you cannot be a positive person. I appeal to you, buligan ninyo kami ni Loren, buligan niyo kami ni AA, kag-aton ng SPs, para iduso natin ang aton ng katawhan para mag-inganyo, na kumita at magkaroon ng konting negosyo, konting pagkikitaan para gumanda at umasenso ang ating probinsya. On behalf of the Office of the Governor, I would like the people of Antique, thank you for coming, and I know your heart is into the powerful growth of our province. Good luck to all of us, and we all have a nice day.
Ito ko mo rin yan.